In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most graceful, my dear students in grade 5, welcome back again to our syllabus in science. Open your box, please, page 80, quickly. Our lesson today is called the solar system. The solar system. النظام الشمسي يا شباب. This is the last lesson in our second term, inshallah, this year, okay? The last lesson. So, the solar system, our lesson today, our keywords is, repeat after me, planet, planet, كوكب. Differentiate between planet and plant without E, okay? We have plant as nabat and planet as كوكب. Number 2, moon, moon, as you may know, القمر. Solar system, النظام الشمسي, with the sun and its planets, okay? It's called solar system. And the last one, constellation, constellation, constellation. Any group of stars that shape a pattern in the sky and has a name is called constellation. مجموعة النجوم يا شباب اللي بتشكل شكل معين في السماء ولها اسم محدد زي مجموعة التبانة أو ضرب اللبن, as you studied in science in Arabic, it's called constellation. Okay, so let's study. The Earth is not the only planet to orbit the sun. We said last time, orbit the sun means تلف حول الشمس, تدور حول الشمس in an orbit, في مدار. There are other planets and there are also moons which orbit around the planets. So we have the moon for our planet, the Earth, and also other moons for the other planets. So each planet has its own moon, okay? But we have only one sun for our galaxy, المجرة بتاعتنا. Okay, which orbit around the planets. The sun, the planets, and their moons are all part of the solar system. If I ask you about the solar system, what does the solar system consist of? You will say that it consists of the sun and the planets around it with their moons, okay? It's called solar system. Very good. Now, let's have a look to our planets and our solar system. Here, we have the sun, and we have 4 planets are some kind near to the sun. It's called inner planets. Inner planets. الكواكب القريبة يا شباب أو الداخلية. And the farthest ones, also we have another 4. So these other 4 planets, it's called outer planets. Outer planets. الكواكب الخارجية, because they are very far away from the sun. Okay. So he said the solar system is made up of what? 8 planets. 8 planets. These days, scientists agreed that we have only 8 planets. But in the past, scientists thought that we have 9 planets because the last one was called, after this one, Neptune, we have another one was called Pluto. But they considered this one because it's very, very far away and also it was very small. So they don't consider it as a planet anymore, okay? So now, these days, we consider that we have only 8 planets, with the sun at the center. There are 4, as we said, they are very near. It's called inner planets, which are the planets closest to the sun. They are very near to the sun. These are, what about these inner planets? What they are, as he said, they are Mercury, the first one, كوكب عطارد, repeat after me, Mercury, Mercury, Venus, Venus, كوكب الزهرة. So look at the picture to see better. Okay. So again, we have here after the sun, we have Mercury. Repeat after me. Mercury, كوكب عطارد. Venus, Venus, كوكب الزهرة. Earth, Earth, كوكب الأرض. And Mars, Mars, كوكب المريخ. Because they are very near, it's called inner planets. Okay. What about the other planets? Let's see. So he said the 4 outer, Venus, Earth, and Mars. The 4 outer planets that they are farthest from the sun, they are what? Jupiter, Jupiter, كوكب المشتري. Saturn, Saturn, كوكب زحل. And Uranus, 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 كوكب Uranus. And Neptune, Neptune, كوكب Neptune. And as we said, the last one, it was called Pluto, and they don't consider anymore that as it is a planet from our solar system. Okay, so he said make up a rhyme to help you to remember the names of order of the planets. Okay, we can say them again for the last time. Repeat after me. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay, Uranus and Neptune. Okay, what about here? The next page we would like to read to finish. He said Earth is at the right distance, okay, from the sun. Subhanallah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make the earth in a right distance away from the sun to be warm enough for life. It is also has liquid water. As you may know, earth has water on its surface, and life needs what? Water. Another important thing about earth is that it has an atmosphere. Better for me. Atmosphere. Atmosphere. Atmosphere means الغلاف الجوي يا شباب. This is the mixture, this is definition of atmosphere, the mixture of gases surrounding earth. خليط من الغازات التي تحيط بالأرض. Without these gases, the heat from the sun would be lost from earth and it would be much colder at night time. If we don't have atmosphere, we don't feel the warmth of the sun, okay, and we will feel so cold. Number 2, explain the factors that make the earth a suitable planet for plants and animals to live. As we said, we have planet and plants. This is al-kawkab and this is an-nabatat. Okay, so he said, what are the factors that make earth is suitable for plants and animals? We said that we have atmosphere, make the earth is warm, and also we have, as we said here, the liquid water on the surface of the earth. Okay, so people have been studying and learning about the solar system for many thousands of years. What about the word that we said before? Constellations اللي هي مجموعة النجوم اللي بتكون شكل يا شباب in the sky at night. So constellations of stars were identified by ancient civilizations. تم تعريفها سابقا أو قديما في الحضارات السابقة القديمة, and the seasons فصول السنة were measured and predicted by farmers who observed the changing night skies. They knew that certain constellations of stars could only be seen at particular times of the year. So they thought that this constellation of the stars in the sky at night, by seeing them, they can decide which season they are and also to plant their crops. Okay, so the last thing about our list today. In ancient times, in what way could observing the night skies help a farmer to know when to plant their crops? As we said, they can know which season they are now and to plant their crops. What about I have learned today? The earth is the only planet in the solar system which has perfect conditions for life. As you said, the earth is very suitable for us to live because it has water, and also it has an atmosphere, and it's suitable for being away from the sun. Not very far and not very close. Okay. What about, there are 8 planets in the solar system. As we said, we have many planets are there in our solar system. We have 8, and the last one, the constellations and stars we can see in the night sky change throughout the year. We have ended our term by this lesson. Thank you very much for watching, but not to forget, you have to answer your homework to finish in your booklet, page 7, okay, about solar system. We answered before exercise 1 from sentence number 1 to number 6, but now we have to complete from 7 to sentence number 10, okay, from 7 to 10 only to complete from these words in the list. Okay, thank you very much. Until we meet again, inshallah, next year while you are in grade 6. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.